Portable culinary magic. Our food jar keeps meals fresh, hot, or cold on the go. Leak-proof, durable, and ready for any adventure. Enjoy delicious meals, wherever, whenever. There are many products available to choose food jar, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best food jar from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Thermos Fountainer 10-ounce Stainless Steel Vacuum. Introducing the ultimate solution for temperature-perfect meals on the go. Designed for young adventurers, the Thermos food jar is a marvel of innovation, employing cutting-edge vacuum insulation technology to maintain the ideal temperature for hot or cold delicacies. Say goodbye to lukewarm lunches or chilly snacks. This jar keeps contents piping hot for up to 5 hours, and refreshingly cold for up to 7 hours, ensuring every bite is as delightful as when it was packed. Crafted from premium 18/8 stainless steel, this food jar stands strong against the trials of daily use, shrugging off drops, dings, and playful roughhousing. Its kid-friendly design boasts a lightweight compact build, complemented by a user-friendly push-button lid for effortless access. The white mouth facilitates easy filling, hassle-free consumption, and swift cleaning, making it a breeze for little hands to manage. Not only does this ingenious jar safeguard meals, but it also eliminates the need for a separate spoon, ingeniously integrating one into the lid for added convenience. Whether tucked into a backpack or carried by hand, it promises to be a trusty companion for school lunches or outdoor adventures. For added convenience, the Fountainer food jar is dishwasher safe, although hand washing is recommended to preserve its longevity. Number 2. Thermos Stainless King Vacuum Insulated Food Jar. Introducing the pinnacle of temperature control for your meals on the move. Harnessing the power of Thermos vacuum insulation technology, this food jar is the ultimate guardian of your culinary delights, preserving their delightful warmth or refreshing chill for extended periods. Bid farewell to lukewarm soups and tepid snacks. With this marvel, soups remain hot for an impressive 9 hours, while cold foods stay chilled for an astounding 14 hours, ensuring every spoonful or bite is as delectable as when it was first prepared. Crafted from top-tier 18/8 stainless steel, this food jar embodies durability, ready to accompany you through any adventure, be it a bustling day out or rugged camping escapades. Its construction not only withstands the test of time, but also shields against external temperature changes, ensuring a comfortable grip with hot contents, and a sweat-free exterior with cold ones. The thoughtful inclusion of a full-size spoon that neatly folds into the lid makes this jar a paragon of convenience. The lid, doubling as a serving bowl, amplifies its functionality. Plus, for those seeking varied capacities, the Stainless King food jar also comes in 24-ounce and 47-ounce sizes, catering to different appetites and needs. Thermos brand products have consistently enhanced everyday life by preserving the essence of freshness. Number 3. Mirror Insulated Food Jar. Introducing the ultimate lunchtime sidekick design for those on the move, the Mirror Insulated Food Thermos Jar. This compact and dependable companion is tailored to meet the demands of busy lifestyles, ensuring meals are kept at their prime wherever you go. Ease and accessibility define its white mouth design, allowing seamless filling, effortless eating, and hassle-free cleaning. The stainless steel construction not only presents a sleek and stylish exterior, but also guarantees a smooth interior, ensuring a hygienic experience meal after meal. Adding a pop of excitement, a vibrant spectrum of colors lets you express your unique style, while making lunchtime a delightful affair. From the young to the young at heart, this versatile insulated jar caters to all, promoting enjoyable and stress-free dining experiences. Powered by superior insulation technology, the Mirror Insulated Food Thermos Jar stands tall in maintaining meal temperatures until lunchtime beckons. Whether it's warmth that lingers, this jar delivers consistent results, ensuring every bite is as delightful as the first. Number 4. Energify Vacuum Insulated Food Jar. Energy's innovation in temperature control ensures your meals remain at their best, whether it's a hearty breakfast or a fulfilling lunch. Embrace the power of vacuum insulation, keeping food piping hot for an impressive 12 hours, or refreshingly cold for an incredible 24 hours, letting you relish every mouthful. Experience unmatched reliability with leak-proof jars that guarantee a mess-free journey in your lunch bag. Crafted from BPA-free stainless steel, silicone, and plastic, these food-grade materials prioritize your food safety without compromising on quality. For seamless on-the-go dining, enjoy the convenience of a fold-out spoon and a carry case alongside your food thermos. Wherever you are, indulging in your favorite goodies has never been easier. At Energy, your satisfaction is paramount. With a lifetime warranty, we're committed to setting things right promptly should any concerns arise. Your smile is our priority, always. Number 5. Stanley Classic Legendary Vacuum Insulated Food Jar. Experience the epitome of insulation prowess with Stanley's legendary food jar featuring an integrated steel spork. Its double-wall vacuum insulation ensures exceptional temperature retention, keeping your meals hot or cold for an impressive 12 hours. Crafted for comfort, the lightweight design of the legendary fruit jar with spork fits snugly in your hand, allowing you to effortlessly carry your favorite beverages and hot meals everywhere, whether it's a day at the mall, a soccer game, or a relaxing day in the park. Reliability meets convenience with its leak-proof construction that's rust-free, resistant to leaks, and effortlessly packable. Toss it into your backpack, trunk, boat, or side saddle without worry. The sealing lid guarantees a spill-free experience. Embrace sustainability and easy maintenance with the reusable stainless steel spork included. Bid farewell to plastic cutlery, as this food jar boasts an easy-to-fill, white mouth opening, ensuring both convenient refills and effortless cleaning for endless enjoyable meals on the go. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.